If you are in need of a tutor to help you ace nursing school, then stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite spots for finding a tutor for nursing school. Hey, this is Thomas from nursemoneytalk.com, where I help nursing students become nurses and nurses excel in their nurse career and nurse life. And in this video, I'm gonna go through and show you one of my favorite spots for finding tutors for nursing school, because I mean, honestly, having gone through nursing school myself, I know that even if you don't need it for the entire time in nursing school, there does come a point where whether it is for like a specific subject or a specific test, where honestly having some one-to-one help is very beneficial to your successes. It was to my success, and I'm sure it's also going to be very beneficial to your success. So I'm going to go through and show you where you can go and kind of like what that process will look like. So I will mention that this is an affiliate link. So if you do sign up for it, I may get a commission for it, but this is a legit site. So I would recommend this site regardless of whether I did get an affiliate, whether or not I did get a commission for it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to nursemoneytalk.com/tutor. It's gonna bring you up to this screen. Something to note is that because you went through that link as well, it's already automatically takes you to where it's going to find nursing school tutor. So I've already done that initial setup for you. You're going to pick what kind of option you want, so whether it's online or in person. So just for this example, we'll do online. You could also hit like you're not sure yet, and that just kind of helps like narrow down kind of like the options that you'll get in terms of tutors. You'll hit next to that. You'll select your time zone. You'll see, we'll just go with Central Time. As you can see, like I already have nursing school is already up here because it already knows. You're gonna hit next on that as well once you pick your time zone. And then for this, what level is this for? Of course, it's gonna be for college. And then you're gonna hit next on that. Then you'll just pick when you're available, or maybe that you're flexible. Just for the sake of this, we'll hit like anytime I'm flexible. So then you'll hit next on that. How many tutoring sessions do you think you'll need? 1 session, 2 to 5 sessions, more than 5 sessions? Not really sure. So for example, if it was just like 1 session, so maybe it's just like there's like only one particular subject that you're just like really struggling with. Maybe it's like, I don't know, for example, maybe it's like dosage calc or something like that. You're just wanting 1 session to somebody kind of, to there kind of hold your hand, if you will, kind of guide you, give you some different pointers, different ways to learn the material. Maybe this one would be the case. For this, 2 to 5, like for this, I'm kind of thinking maybe you're just kind of looking for a particular help for a particular unit leading up to an exam. And then this, I'm thinking more long-term, maybe for like the semester or something like that. And of course, there's always the I'm not sure route as well. But we'll go 2 to 5, like just maybe needing help for like an exam or something like that. So hit that. When do you need help? Like, let's say it's within a few days. Maybe we're just really desperate. Like, I'm frustrated. Like I want somebody to help me right now. So we'll go ahead, but you could hit that, but we'll just say, let's just say we need help in a few days, maybe 1 or 2. We want to get this started. We'll hit next. And then as you'll immediately see, like you'll come to the screen where you'll have a lot of options kind of available to you as well. So one thing I'll note here, so of course, like, you'll have the tutor list right here. It'll give you the number of choices available. You can sort it by best match, lowest price, highest price, ratings or whatnot. And of course you'll get the name, you'll get kind of like a quick little snapshot bio, if you will. And then this kind of goes more into their details. You'll kind of look at their ratings, the number of ratings they have, how many hours that they're charging, kind of like what they offers online sessions, which for a lot of these, considering it is an online kind of platform for finding tutors, you'll probably will see a lot of online sessions. One thing I'll also note right here that's going to be to your left for filtering, you're going to be looking at hourly rates as well. So of course, as you move it, that's going to kind of move this as well, or kind of help filter this out. Of course, you can see that this went down to 43. So yeah, and then of course you can filter it through by availability. So maybe you are very particular and you want somebody who's available Monday. Let's say you want somebody who's available Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I mean. Like that's your only availability. So of course you can do that. As you can see, that changes that as well. The age of the tutor, if that matters to you, you can even go from a gender preference sorted, if you prefer a guy tutor or female tutor or whatever. And then of course the student's college level. So we'll take like one of this example right here, and then we'll kind of just open it up. So we'll hit that. And then so once you'll see right here, you'll kind of get some information. Nice thing about this platform, no subscription or upfront payments, only pay for the time you need. Find the right fit, or your first hour is free, which is pretty nice. You'll also see that this particular person typically responds in about 2 hours as well. So then you'll see their qualifications. You'll see kind of like some info as well. And then related subjects, this person has tutored in one or more subjects. You'll kind of see like a quick bio about themselves, kind of like their policies, hourly rate, kind of like some more information as well. Of course, once you make a scheduling as well, you got 24 hours to cancel. You don't, because they got to make a living as well. So you don't want, canceling at like, an hour before, 2 hours before. That wouldn't really be fair to the tutor as well. So you got to keep that in mind. And, and of course, kind of like their good fit guarantee, which I kind of already touched up on that as well right here. But that's definitely some more info to check out by clicking there. And then the nice thing about this platform as well is that you're kind of looking at like background checks as well. So you can then go through some background checks, or what I mean is like the tutor itself can, some of them, I don't think it's not mandatory on this platform necessarily. You can actually filter it out if you are looking for ones as well. That was in the previous screen. If you are looking for ones that have been background checked. So it's kind of up to you how important this is or may not be, going through like an online per se, and you're not really going to be meeting up with the person in person, then this may or may not be important to you as well. And then this kind of just runs through their schedule, and then just kind of like some subjects as well. Nice thing about this platform as well is that if you need help with the NCLEX, they can definitely help you with test prep as well for the NCLEX. And then, you get options as well. And as you go down, kind of looking at their ratings, this person in particular, 263 5-star reviews. That's interesting. Yeah, that's not bad at all. And then you'll then get like a feel for all their reviews that they've had as well. So let's say we decided that we did want to contact this particular tutor. So what we're going to end up doing is we're just going to go to contact right here. We're going to click on it, and then that's going to bring up this right here. So like I said, if you go through that link, you'll see nursing school is already filled out, online lessons, this one only has that available, the time zone, so you want to make sure that the time zone is correct, college level, and then when you want to begin the lesson as well. And then any like optional details you might have, like frequency, kind of like what your goals are as well, improve grades, get ahead, increase confidence, prepare for a test, learn new skills, whatnot. And then if you wanted to go ahead and request a time already to meet and any particular lessons you might have, then you'll hit next. And then once that comes up, then it'll prompt you to enter an account, sign up, and then the whole 9 yards in terms of, because once you then create an account, you'll be able to then be able to kind of go back and forth as well with the tutor on this particular platform. Once again, you can get to this by going to nursemoneytalk.com/tutor. The link will be in the descriptions below. I hope you did find this video helpful. Please, if you did find this helpful, don't please hit that thumbs up, and then as well share this with any of your other student peers that might find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and then I will catch you very soon in the next video.